Hello everybody, this is Will Rittenhouse. I'm doing my little practice video currently. Uh, um, to talk about things.
So I'm going.
Excuse me. We are talking about what I've been doing, first of all, which is just I've been thriving here at home. As you can see, just thriving away here in MS Paint. Classes have been okay. It's been a lot of work, but I'm getting through it, and it's just been pretty okay for the past couple of days. Yeah, and it's been a decent couple of days, and basically it's just been okay for the most part. And now a poem. Love is patient, love is kind. And that's it. There we go. Also, yeah, that's about it. Literally, that's it. And it's been great talking to you all. Hope I sound really good in my microphone. And just want to wish you all a good quarantine. And kudos to those who can draw. All right. Good stuff. So it's been good talking. Goodbye.